What is prevailing wage when you apply for a labor market impact assessment? Before I answer this question, please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. If you want to work in Canada, you probably end up requesting a labor market impact assessment or an LMIA from the Department of Labor in Canada, also known as Service Canada or ESDC. An ESDC officer reviews your application, and if they believe hiring you as a foreign national has no negative impact on the Canadian labor market, then they will issue the LMIA. One of the requirements by ESDC is that the Canadian employer must offer a prevailing wage to that foreign employee. But what does prevailing wage mean? Prevailing wage is calculated based on two different approaches. Approach number one is job bank median wage. If you go on job bank and you enter the job title or NOC code of that job, then based on different regions in Canada, it shows you a low wage, a high wage, and a median wage. In that situation, the prevailing wage is a wage that is equal to or more than the median wage for the region that you want to work in that region. If there is no median wage reported by job bank, then in that situation, you can look at the median wage for the province for the same job. And if there is no median wage for the province, then you look at the median wage for Canada. The other approach is the fact that sometimes the employer already has hired some people. In this case, the prevailing wage also depends on the range of the salaries of those people. If the employer has employees in that job opportunity that you want to work in, then in that situation, you need to look at the range of the salary for those employees in Canada and also the job bank report, and whichever is higher, that amount becomes the prevailing wage. For example, if the median wage on job bank is $20 per hour, but the employer is offering anywhere between $18 to $19 per hour to their employees, then the prevailing wage will be $20 or more. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Parsai. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant with 10 years of experience as an immigration consultant. I teach immigration consulting at Ashton College. I'm the author of the bestseller book, 88 Tips on Immigration to Canada. You can check out your purchasing options by visiting 88tips.ca. Please subscribe to this channel, enable notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you soon.